am going to show you how to use bookmarks and links inside of your Google Docs. So I was thinking about this because I started to create my PCG one-on-one conversations that I'm going to have with my PCG students, and I was making this really long Google Doc, and I realized that I wanted to make some bookmarks for some easy navigation inside of my Google Doc. So what I did is I created one long Google Doc with all of my students' information in it, where I was going to put my teacher observation and notes. So at the top, I have all of my students' names, and then I have put each of my students' names where it has student name. And right next to their name, I'm just going to go to Insert, and then I am going to come down here to Bookmark. And then I'm going to do that for each of my students. So Insert, and then Bookmark, and then I'm going to come down here again, Insert, and Bookmark right next to their name. Real simple. And then when I go to their name, I'm going to highlight their name, go to Insert Link, and then it actually has their name right there, and then their name will come up as a link. So I'm going to do the same thing for Gabe. Go to Insert Link, and then if you see right here down at the bottom where it has headings and bookmarks, I actually have all of their names available. So I'm going to click Gabe there, and then I will have Keegan available, so I will use his name. And then it's really easy. So if I want to go to Keegan, I click on the bookmark and it takes me right down to Keegan's name. Now, the other thing is I can also add a bookmark for me to go back up to the home. So if instead of scrolling back up all the way to the top, I can just add a little note that says right underneath here, I can just say home. And where it says PCG one-on-one conversations, I can insert a bookmark there. And then I can say home here, and I can insert my bookmark and do PCG one-on-one conversations, go to that bookmark, and it takes me right back up to the home. So I can add that underneath each of my students' notes. And then it's very easy to navigate inside of my document. So I can have it to be have easy access to my students, as well as going right back up to the top so I can get back to the next student. And then the other thing that I can do to make it really easy to see who I have met with is I can just insert a quick emoji and just do a check mark, and to say that I've met with Alessi or whoever the student is, and I can go on my way to meet with all of my students. Hopefully that will help you with your organization and your navigation as you are working in your Google Doc. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great week.